Hi, everyone. Josh Ledgard from Kickofflabs here. We make it simple to set up pre-launches, wait lists, giveaways, contests, and reward level campaigns for your audience. Today, I'm going to be looking at another pre-launch campaign. This one is for one coming to a crowdfunding system, and it is for HeyGears, the industrial grade precision user-friendly design. And so this is a really simple first part of the page. You can see they've got the product featured on the right-hand side of the page over here. On the left-hand side of the page, they just have the headline, which I just read you, and a chance to get updates. And the incentive to sign up, because every sign up should have an incentive that feels substantial to people. And in this case, they're saying you'll sign up for early bird offers. So $400 off plus a community coupon up to $30 if you join the community. And we'll get to that in a minute. And it's really simple, but it's important to note that the reason you do this before you launch a crowdfunding campaign and they're running ads to drive traffic to this campaign is because it's important to have an email list built up before that campaign goes live on a crowdfunding platform. And the reason you do that is so that you have more people ready to buy, more people ready to commit to a purchase. And then even once you have an actual store ready, then you have a wider audience that you're casting your net to. And the rest of the page, they describe the product. It's Ultra Clef Reflex, Unleash Your 3D Creativity. So it talks about the different kind of things you can do, more about the product. All the headlines are product specific. So that's one of the things I like to call out when people do. And you can see that they're saying smart innovations, materials engineered to exceed expectations. And it's probably the kind of text and commentary that the potential customers of their product would be looking for when they're signing up. And so they're saying, stay tuned for product launch. And they give you another call to action in the middle of the page here. And it just gives some examples of things printed. So again, this goes to if you're running a Kickstarter or a pre-launch campaign, making it as realistic as possible, even if the product isn't quite ready for sale yet. So in this case, if they're providing these examples of, hey, these are things we believe you'll be able to print with this product, it gives people a sense that they could bring their ideas to life, which is a great headline to wrap up a page like this. And they're giving you the summary at the bottom, which I like. So it's sort of like, say what you're going to say, and then tell people what you just told them at the bottom of the page. And they're reminding people to sign up. So I already had my email address in up here, and let's click it and see what happens. So I've subscribed to their email list, and they're getting me as a second call to action to join the community. If I did anything else, I would ask people to refer friends for an additional discount, which is something that's also really easy to do with Kickofflabs. But they kept it simple here, added a button to their thank you page, and it gets you to go to their community and join the group of people interested in 3D printing. You can see they've got 377 members so far in that group. And they've got way more on the actual email list. I don't want to give away their numbers, but they're doing well. And I want you to be able to create a campaign just like this using Kickofflabs. If that's something you're interested in, if you're thinking about running a Kickstarter, you want to do a pre-launch, validate your product idea, check out kickofflabs.com, sign up today, and let us know what you think. We'd love to help you.